Cukup sa kana turang, untuk sa kana batini kalanda sar. May tumbor cukup na matamdu. Untuk na waka saru landa. Ibarat tinggal geng malu menggay cuma na songo ni gitu na AFL. Oke lah ni sa ruang gimana gay ruang dolcin kan dua, watalangan na ruang dolcin kapa. Tu orang tambet sa kaman nom do cukup tamu turang. Sa kira sa gan itu usut, na itu malu na songo. Na malu mo na lewen itu na mata gitu kango na AFL. Sa kira nom do usut, nom do bidongo min na sana ka. Nambungi ruang mingko sarang kay cukup na amata tim ni bici, orang wana alaw, payar turang, merana amata kena tim ni bici, kena gitu lep ni AFL na kena sesuatu kami malibat. Tahu bahwa turang asa kiri saka cukup na nomdo biwa kalau ngata kena turang, menron robi cukup na menron tu bulan na alingai bici, racuka mata mundo, payar nampak tikai bici, karena masa bartak cukup na nonra talent, ebura tanya, kiri saka kami turang presiden ni bakal ngata ke ni bulan dua pamimpin ang gengay. May bala waktu sa katong na po sini ako na po sini kamnang, na po sini Tatau. Sira po sa turang na bunua, kumbuna rakilatsu ng turang na bunubal tu kama. Bermasangan ako na marambal ro te matentu nganga beokan tobat. Pagkatang beri sa cukup na kena bos, ano mo do cukup tam na turang. Sosorak atu.
May din ko magsuno akong na. Mga nakam na katura. Mga nibulwa akong lang iday. Mga na itatau katura. Mga nabang katura at saka may na. Ang iba ko liu ni Gito na AFL. Ang napuno ng mga gabi. Ay bikem ni nabilitay ni Walis Lesi. Kem ni na alam team. Puro manala. Nangai na buat turang aja dipilih na naman itu mali. Ina vanua na los tu naman itu. Ina vanua iku muna wanang turang wal. Nanti kam. Bersanga mga marambal itu dikit. Ina matin tu wel maningan kanto. Sama din kami cina kamnang babin nak. Nawalew na iwat purata. Nawalew na ngumatu kami na turbo manala. Nawalew di na kinanda ito. Paano? Sa kilangin kamnang, so mo may nagkena bay bakaluntak. Wala na kalun bulot siya. Ingwala siya naganga, wadit. Namuni cuma naganga, kalungat at siya nang dapat naman lumaniwiti. Ang nagbakalot, ngawi siya kung manak. I'm very honored to receive you this afternoon on behalf of government and the people of Fiji. I'm doubly honored to be the first President and Head of State to receive the AFL from Fiji's national athletes in this unique sport, the Australian football or Aussie rules, or footy, as they call it in Australia. With Fiji being a sport-loving nation, it is most encouraging that you have established a sport in the country because this will give more Fijians the opportunity to try out another exciting sport. I say this because I had tried playing Aussie rules when I was studying in Australia some years back, many moons ago, long time ago. I only wish I had more time to play the game, but I'm fully aware it has become among the most popular sports in Australia to me. Like all other national teams that have presented the Tatau, I keep reminding them that Fiji may not have the luxury of material resources that other nations and more developed countries have, but we certainly possess a good sporting spirit. We love to play, and of course, we love to win. I learned with great interest that the Australian Football League established a branch in Fiji way back in 2009. But the first efforts to establish the sport here were made by the Australian police officers based in Suva in 2004. I'm told that Fiji has been competing in the International Competition Cup since 2011, with the men's Fiji Tribe team winning the second division the same year, and the women's Fiji Vonu team making a first appearance in 2014. I have been informed that the men's Fiji Tribe team was ranked 12th in 2011 and progressed to 10th rank in 2014. Congratulations on the improved performance. Well done. No. The women's Vonu team, on the other hand, is currently on the 5th place. Congratulations. Oh, that's quite an achievement. How about you? I have every confidence that you will have a successful outing at the International Australian Football Competition. It's going to be held in Melbourne from the 5th to the 19th of August. I also believe that you will proudly showcase the daring Fijian spirit in the tournament and improve on your performance and ranking. So I accept your Tatau today on behalf of our beloved nation with our collective encouragement and best wishes for a very successful tour. The nation is confident that you have done the hard yards in training and preparation, and it is now time to perform and deliver to the best of your ability. I acknowledge here the role of your coaches and officials, and I thank them for their efforts. Well done. Thank you. I wish to advise that as a team representing Fiji, you are not alone in your efforts to step our mark in the international arena. The prayers and the good thoughts of the nation and people of Fiji are with you. Fiji is also taking on bigger roles and responsibilities with issues like climate change, where we are the incoming president. The global effort to keep our oceans clean and sustainable, our presidency of the 71st session of the United Nations General Assembly, and our recent chairmanship of the group of 77 plus China recently. So Fiji is playing a very important leadership role within the international arena. We are clearly sending an important message to the world that we are not going to drop the ball, or not going to perform blind passes on major issues like climate change, which is already affecting humanity's very existence, hence our interest and our concern. We are collectively reminding the world that we believe in a winning team, and that a win in this journey can only happen if we continue to combine our efforts and work to our strengths. On this occasion, I wish to congratulate you all for your selection into our national men's and women's AFL teams. To the coaches and officials, once again, I commend and acknowledge your efforts in preparing the team physically, technically, psychologically, and spiritually. Now, thank you. I always remind national teams as they present the iTautau before they leave our shores that you are going to be great ambassadors for Fiji both on and off the field, and that you should always fly our flag with pride. By all means, enjoy yourself. Don't forget, you are Fiji's ambassadors, wherever you are. You'll depart our shores this week with our nation's collective best wishes and prayers. May God bless you all, your respective families, our beloved nation Fiji. Thank you all. Tatau, and thank you for the short inspirational words to the team, and I have no doubt that the teams will be strengthened by the divine Lord as we leave the shores and when you perform. Nawalevu, Kalungaton Nilalako. Look forward to seeing you all when you come back. Nawalevu, God bless you.